Welcome to Science for 5th grade. Please open your books and notebooks. Today we continue talking about weather. Last time we talked about normal weather, but weather can be extreme too. Examples of extreme weather are drought, when it doesn't rain for a very long period of time. Wildfire. Dry areas are very likely to be fired up. Tornadoes. Very dangerous windward. Hail. Small as a marble or big as a baseball, hail is something that you should be care of. Thunderstorm. Never go out under a thunderstorm. Floods. Hurricanes. In all these situations, we always must be prepared for any of them. One of the best ways to be prepared is to know the forecast. Weather changes every day and is different in every place. Weather changes every minute, every hour, every day. So we must be pending on the weather forecast every day of the week. You can see here some examples of different weather forecasts. Copy in your notebook. If weather changes every minute, every hour, or every day, how can you do a prediction or a forecast? Weather forecasting is the prediction of what the weather will be like in our tomorrow or next week. Weather forecasting involves a combination of computer models, observation, and a knowledge of trends and patterns. By using this method, reasonable accurate forecasts can be made of up to 7 days in advance. Copy in your notebook. How do meteorologists predict the weather? Well, for starting, meteorologists are scientists too. Scientists who study the causes of weather and try to predict it. They analyze data and prepare weather forecasts. Meteorologists interpret information from a variety of sources, including local weather observers, maps and charts, computers, balloons, satellites, weather stations, and radars. Here on the right, we can see examples of all the resources that meteorologists use to make a forecast. It's a very complicated science that may not have a 100% exact result. However, it's very important to understand and observe the weather. Weather can be observed by meteorological satellites, weather radars, wind profiles, radio zones, surface observations, By using this information, this is sent by monitoring data and precipitation analysis. Forecast warnings. This creates short-range forecasts and numerical models. These become statistics and archives. With all this, meteorologists can create a very reliable prediction for the few next days so it can be received by the public users. This having a lot of benefits like disaster risk reduction, socioeconomic activities, and of course for transportation. Now let's play to be meteorologists. Can you guess how the weather is going to be? Go to the following link and play the game. That's all for today. See you next time.